Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to cut music on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to remove music from your videos or just simply cut them in half or in other parts. So let's get started by opening CapCut, making a new project, adding your clip, and once you do all that, tap on your clip, scroll, and then tap on extract audio. So this is the audio that is from the video that you just extracted from. If you want to, you can either tap on mute to get rid of all of the audio, or if you just want to simply split it apart to a certain point and then delete that other half, you're gonna be left with this. But if you just simply want to tune it down, here's the audio. I'm at 100, so you can just scroll down to 0, or you can raise it up to 1000. And that's pretty much all you have to do when it comes to audio. You can also use reduced noise to remove background audio, but that's another different topic. And if this video helped, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.